Hi, my name's Sally Martin at SheepMetriX. This is one of 10 video recordings that are being developed with the support of the New South Wales Government to assist sheep and goat producers use Excel for storing, collating and using data capture via an electronic identification tag. This video is about preparing data to upload to a stick reader or an indicator. So first of all, let's start with preparing your data. This is an example of some pregnancy scanning data that has been collected where we've got the electronic identification, whether they were dry, whether they were pregnant, either early, mid or late pregnancy, and you can see we've got a twin, single, this one's dry. To be able to draft on that, we can draft on those 4 components, or what we can actually do, which I prepared earlier, is we can actually capture this information in one column. In this example, I have 24 preg scan and 24 preg stage. So this information can be then uploaded onto your stick reader or indicator. So first of all, we want to save the information. So we'll go to Save As. Saved in a location that you'll be able to find. So we'll just do that one more time. So comma delimited CSV format, and we will save. So let's delete these columns. I'll just hold down the left side of the mouse to highlight those. I'll right click and I can then delete those columns, and I have the 2 main columns that I want remaining, and we can also get rid of the time. Now what's also going to be really important is that the headings are consistent with what you want imported, with what will be on the indicator or the stick reader. So then what we'll do is we will connect our device to our computer and open up the software. So now we're able to, this is the True Test Data Link, so this is free software. There are a number of options available with other hardware, and they will have majority will have free software, but some may have a subscription format for more complex software options. In this particular case, we're going to upload our information onto the indicator. The process is, so this is either to get data off, so downloading or uploading, putting information on, or deleting. So in this case we want to upload the information, so we're going to upload, and we're going to upload a session file. We'll go next and just basically follow the wizard as it takes us through the steps to be able to locate where that information, and we identify the file that we want to upload, and we open that, and that will communicate with our device and bring in those pregnancy scanning results that we have in that file. So there you can see we now have the information captured on the pregnancy scan, and it's been uploaded into our indicator or our stick reader. So the same process is the same for either the stick reader or the indicator, and now we can recall that information once we scan this electronic tag in the yards to identify whether they were pregnant or not, or early or late, or mid, depending on what it is that we're wanting to do. Thank you very much.